Hi, and welcome to Leroy Tonight. So you want to know how to avoid derailing yourself. This is the sixth part to our amazing leadership off-the-leash journey, and a pretty important one at that. If only we got it right all of the time. A journey wouldn't be a journey without a destination and a process to get there. While we'd love to say it's always smooth sailing, in reality, we need to plan for some bumps along the way. That's okay, as long as you can grow and learn from them. But what if you were to hit a massive wall and no way of going over, around, under, or through? Now that would really derail your progress. So let's work out how we can avoid these challenges tonight so you can avoid derailing yourself tomorrow.